Hello and welcome to the video which will guide us to understand better the iris world. This video and the Advanced Threat Intelligence Orchestrator designed and developed from ICCS and is funded under IRIS H 2020 EU-funded project. The tool that we are going to present is the Advanced Threat Intelligence Orchestrator, refer with the acronym ATIO, which is a full-stack middleware solution that serves equally the system automation and the end-user interaction. Its main purpose is to boost accurate streamline operations towards cyber threat incident detections, sharing, response, and recovery procedures of the IRIS platform. Some of the hurdles that led to orchestrator conceptualization in a smart city were the long-consuming processes, for example monitoring processes and alerts waiting time, misinterpretation of information, and decision-making processes. Also, the variation of data sources as well as the acceleration of system vulnerabilities harden activities towards cybersecurity incident threat reporting and responding. To address the aforementioned challenges, the need for service facilitating security orchestration automation and response was identified. The SOAR concept was introduced by Gartner Company. A simplified explanation of the main definition that illustrated on the left of the screen is that security orchestration is the act of integrating disparate technologies and connecting security tools, both security-specific and non-security-specific, in order to make them capable of working together and improving incident response. So, in this context, ATIO is reaching the benefits from unified threat intelligence management, end-to-end workflow automation, interoperability and tool integration, customization and adaptability, enhanced threat intelligence analysis, security policy enforcement, faster and automated response. I know this can sound rather abstract, so let's take a closer look at the orchestrator of IRIS to see how everything comes together. Workflow Orchestrator. An end user enters ATIO-supported software. Enters the Orchestrator Workflow Manager user interface. This is the workflow panel consisting by several workflow cases. Moving at the heart of the orchestrator are the workflows. Workflows are a set of prescribed actions with the goal of no-code automation. All these are workflows created to automate various tasks such as threat detection, response, or audit log creation. We will now open one workflow to take a look on the inside. At first sight it can be a bit confusing, but everything will become clear in a minute. The action flow is from left to right. The webhook presented on the left is an endpoint waiting of Nightwatch to be triggered, a network monitoring IoT threat detection tool producing periodic reports. Once output from Nightwatch is received, all the workflows and subflows related to this tool executed automatically. ATIO listens to Nightwatch and saves and tracks, by adding an internal orchestration ID, the detected incident report to the system. Then ATIO sends simultaneously the information to both MISP to enhance and share cyber threat intelligence information, and after appropriate processing is posted to RRR for producing suggested mitigation actions. ATIO listens to a separate subflow in order to send authenticated recommended actions determined by RRR to the EME dashboard. In order to post to the dashboard in a secured and authenticated manner, an extra step is required from the architecture to get an authentication token. This is acquired from a Keycloak server, for which the ATIO has already been supplied with a set of login credentials. Speaking about subflows, there is a revoking one that is being triggered every time that a user proceeds to make a change to the system, other deletion, or addition. This is achieved by a customized app that created by ICCS and implemented in the ATIO service. The logs of these changes sent to the DPA tool of IRIS, helping to the traceability of the information. To conclude, this was a demonstration about Advanced Threat Intelligence Orchestrator automation capabilities. If you want to learn more about Advanced Threat Intelligence Orchestrator and IRIS project, feel free to visit IRIS official website and subscribe to the IRIS newsletter.